Today we're going to explore the top 5 best gaming PC cases that can upgrade your gaming setup with better airflow, stylish designs, and powerful performance. We'll break down each case's build quality, cooling support, cable management, size compatibility, RGB features, and overall value so you can easily choose the perfect one for your PC build. Whether you're building a new gaming PC or upgrading your current setup, these cases are designed to keep your components cool and make your setup look amazing. Check the links in the description for full details and buying options. So stay tuned and watch the full video to find the best gaming PC case for you. Number 1. Cooler Masters Sneaker X Mini-ITX PC Case Bundle. The Cooler Masters Sneaker X Mini-ITX PC Case Bundle is a unique gaming PC case designed for users who want high performance with a completely different style. Instead of a traditional PC tower, this case features a sneaker-inspired design, making it a standout choice for gamers, collectors, and anyone looking for a conversation piece setup. This premium Mini-ITX case supports high-end hardware while keeping a compact footprint. It supports Mini-ITX motherboards and can fit powerful GPUs up to 300mm, including modern graphics cards like RTX 50 series and RX 9000 series models. The included 360mm AIO liquid cooling system helps manage temperatures for powerful processors like AMD Ryzen 9 and Intel Ultra i9 CPUs. The bundle also includes an 850W SFX80 Plus Gold power supply with ATX 3.1 support, providing enough power for demanding gaming builds. Custom short cables help reduce cable clutter and keep the internal layout cleaner. Design is the biggest highlight of the Sneaker X. The aluminum frame and unique sneaker shape give it a premium appearance, while RGB lighting adds a gaming aesthetic. However, the unusual design does come with limitations, including less flexibility compared to larger PC cases and limited compatibility due to the Mini-ITX size. Pros. Heavy checkmark unique sneaker-inspired gaming design. Heavy checkmark includes 360mm liquid CPU cooler. Heavy checkmark comes with 850W SFX Gold power supply. Heavy checkmark supports powerful GPUs up to 300mm. Heavy checkmark great for premium compact gaming builds. Heavy checkmark excellent choice for collectors and enthusiasts. Cons. Limited Mini-ITX motherboard support. Expensive compared to regular PC cases. Less upgrade space than full-size towers. Not ideal for beginners building their first PC. Final verdict. The Cooler Masters Sneaker X is not just a PC case, it is a statement piece. It delivers strong gaming performance support with included cooling and power components while offering one of the most unique designs available. It is perfect for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want a compact, powerful, and eye-catching build, but users focused only on value and maximum upgrade flexibility may prefer a traditional case. Number 2. HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite Gaming PC Case. The HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite is a premium modern gaming PC case designed for gamers, PC builders, and enthusiasts who want both high performance and a unique visual experience. Unlike traditional PC cases, it features a built-in 14.9-inch 2.5K touchscreen display that adds a futuristic look while allowing users to customize their setup with the HYTE Nexus software. One of the biggest highlights of this case is the integrated LCD touchscreen. The large 682 by 2560 resolution display offers a sharp viewing experience with 60Hz refresh rate and 10-point multi-touch support. Users can customize the screen with system monitoring, animations, wallpapers, and other visual effects, making the PC build stand out. The design is another major advantage. The HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite comes with a beautiful panoramic glass layout and a dual-chamber interior that creates a clean, premium aesthetic. It supports ATX motherboards and provides a vertical GPU mounting system with an included PCIe 4.0 riser cable, allowing high-end graphics cards to become the centerpiece of the build. Cooling performance is also impressive. The case supports up to 10 fans and can fit large cooling solutions, including 360mm radiators. The flexible radiator support and spacious internal layout make it suitable for powerful gaming systems with high-end CPUs and GPUs. However, this case is not perfect for everyone. The premium touchscreen design comes with a higher price point compared to standard PC cases. It is also quite large and heavy, which may not be ideal for smaller setups or budget-focused builders. Pros: heavy checkmark built-in 14.9-inch 2.5K touchscreen display. Heavy checkmark premium panoramic glass design. Heavy checkmark excellent cable management with dual chamber layout. Heavy checkmark supports high-end GPUs with vertical mounting. Heavy checkmark up to 10 fan cooling support. Heavy checkmark includes PCIe 4.0 riser cable. Heavy checkmark 3-year manufacturer warranty. Cons: expensive compared to normal PC cases. Large size requires more desk space. Touchscreen features are mainly for aesthetics. Not ideal for budget PC builds. Final verdict: the HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite is one of the most unique gaming PC cases available today. Its massive touchscreen display, premium design, strong cooling support, and high-end hardware compatibility make it perfect for gamers who want a showcase PC build. If you are building a powerful gaming PC and want something that looks completely different from a standard case, the HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite is an excellent choice. However, for users who only need a simple functional PC case, the extra cost may not be worth it. Number 3. HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite Gaming PC Case. The HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite is a premium modern gaming PC case designed for gamers, PC builders, and enthusiasts who want a powerful setup with a unique visual experience. It combines a dual-chamber ATX design, panoramic tempered glass panels, vertical GPU mounting, and a built-in 2.5K touchscreen display to create one of the most eye-catching PC cases available. One of the biggest highlights of the HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite is its integrated 14.5-inch LCD touchscreen. The 2.5K resolution display offers a customizable interface through HYTE Nexus software, allowing users to monitor system information, display animations, wallpapers, and other personalized content. The touchscreen adds a futuristic feel that makes this case stand out from traditional PC designs. The dual-chamber layout provides excellent organization by separating components and improving cable management. It supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini-ITX motherboards, along with high-end graphics cards using the included PCIe 4.0 vertical riser cable. The vertical GPU mounting gives the build a showcase appearance, especially with modern RGB graphics cards. Cooling performance is another strong point. The case supports up to 10 fans and can fit large liquid cooling solutions, including up to 360mm radiators. The spacious interior helps improve airflow and provides enough room for powerful gaming hardware. The build quality is impressive with a combination of metal construction and tempered glass panels. The premium finish gives it a luxury aesthetic that works well for high-end gaming setups, streaming stations, and custom PC builds. However, this case is not designed for budget builders. The premium touchscreen and unique design come with a higher price, and the large size requires more desk space. It also does not include fans, so users need to purchase additional cooling components separately. Pros: heavy checkmark built-in 14.5-inch 2.5K touchscreen display. Heavy checkmark stunning dual-chamber panoramic glass design. Heavy checkmark supports high-end GPUs with vertical mounting. Heavy checkmark excellent cable management system. Heavy checkmark supports up to 10 fans and 360mm radiators. Heavy checkmark premium build quality and modern design. Heavy checkmark great for gaming and showcase PC builds. Cons: expensive compared to standard PC cases. Large size requires more desk space. Fans not included. Touchscreen features may be unnecessary for some users. Final verdict: the HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite is one of the most unique gaming PC cases on the market. Its built-in touchscreen, premium design, and excellent hardware support make it perfect for enthusiasts who want their PC to look as impressive as it performs. If you are building a high-end gaming PC, streaming setup, or a showcase desktop and want a case that grabs attention, the HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite is an excellent choice. Number 4. HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite Gundam Wing PC Case. The HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite Gundam Wing official licensed PC case is a premium mid-tower gaming PC chassis designed for gamers, PC builders, and anime fans who want a unique high-end setup. Inspired by the legendary Gundam Wing Zero design, this limited edition case combines futuristic aesthetics with powerful cooling support and modern PC building features. The case features a stunning 14.9-inch integrated IPS touchscreen display with a 2.5K resolution, 60 Hz refresh rate, and multi-touch capability. Powered by HYTE Nexus software, the screen can be customized with system monitoring, animations, wallpapers, and other visual effects, making your PC build stand out from traditional cases. Built with a dual-chamber layout and panoramic tempered glass panels, the HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite offers a clean showcase design for premium components. The included PCIe 4.0 riser cable allows vertical GPU mounting, giving your graphics card a more impressive display while improving the overall look of the build. Cooling performance is another major highlight. The case supports up to a 360mm radiator and can hold up to 10 fans, providing excellent airflow for high-performance CPUs and GPUs. This makes it suitable for powerful gaming builds with modern processors and graphics cards. However, this premium design comes with some limitations. The large size requires more desk space, and the touchscreen-focused design makes it more expensive than standard ATX cases. It is also more suited for showcase builds rather than budget-focused PC setups. Pros: Heavy checkmark unique Gundam Wing limited edition design. Heavy checkmark built-in 14.9-inch 2.5K touchscreen display. Heavy checkmark dual-chamber layout with panoramic glass. Heavy checkmark vertical GPU mounting support. Heavy checkmark includes PCIe 4.0 riser cable. Heavy checkmark excellent cooling support, up to 10 fans. Heavy checkmark premium build quality and aesthetics. Cons: expensive compared to regular PC cases. Requires large desk space. Overkill for simple budget builds. Touchscreen features may not matter to everyone. Final verdict: the HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite Gundam Wing PC case is one of the most visually impressive gaming cases available. With its anime-inspired design, built-in touchscreen display, strong cooling capability, and premium construction, it is an excellent choice for enthusiasts who want a unique showcase PC. If you are building a high-end gaming PC and want a case that looks completely different from anything else, the HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite Gundam Wing Edition is a fantastic choice. Number 5. JONSBO BO400 ATX Mid-Tower PC Case. The JONSBO BO400 ATX Mid-Tower PC case is a premium gaming PC chassis designed for users who want a stylish, high-performance build with excellent cooling support. Featuring a durable aluminum alloy frame, dual-chamber layout, and a modern glass design, this case delivers both aesthetics and functionality for gaming and enthusiast PC builds. This PC case supports ATX and micro ATX motherboards, along with large graphics cards up to 435mm in length and power supplies up to 200mm. The dual-chamber design helps separate cables and components, creating a cleaner interior look while improving airflow management. One of the standout features is the interchangeable top panel design, allowing users to switch between a metal top cover and a glass panel for a more visible showcase-style build. The tool-free buckle opening system also makes installation and upgrades easier, especially for builders who frequently modify their setups. For cooling, the JONSBO BO400 offers impressive compatibility with up to three 360mm AIO liquid coolers and supports up to 10 fans. This makes it suitable for high-end CPUs and powerful GPUs that require strong thermal performance. The case also includes modern connectivity options with USB 3.2 ports and USB Type-C support, along with support for multiple storage drives. Its aluminum construction provides a premium feel while maintaining a sleek gaming-focused appearance. However, the case is quite large and heavy compared to standard mid-tower cases. It may also be more expensive than basic PC cases, making it better suited for enthusiasts rather than budget builders. Pros: Heavy checkmark premium aluminum alloy construction. Heavy checkmark dual chamber design for clean cable management. Heavy checkmark supports large GPUs up to 435 mm. Heavy checkmark excellent cooling support with multiple 360 mm AIO options. Heavy checkmark interchangeable glass and mesh top design. Heavy checkmark tool-free installation system. Heavy checkmark high-end gaming PC build ready. Cons: large and heavy design. Higher price compared to basic cases. Not ideal for small desk setups. Requires careful planning for first-time builders. Final verdict: the JONSBO BO400ATX mid-tower PC case is an excellent choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want a premium-looking case with strong airflow, huge hardware compatibility, and a unique showcase design. With its aluminum build, dual-chamber layout, and advanced cooling support, it is a great option for creating a powerful high-end gaming PC. If you are building a performance-focused PC and want a case that looks as good as it performs, the JONSBO BO400 is definitely worth considering.